In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Aweber list automations. Start by signing in to your Aweber account and going to the main navigation. Click Automations, then select Workflow. This area is where you build a visual sequence that responds to what subscribers do, like joining your list or receiving a tag. Next, click Create Workflow. You will be prompted to choose how you want to begin. You can start from scratch for full control, or you can choose a template if you want a ready-made structure that you can adjust. Either option works well, so choose based on how complex your automation needs to be. Now give your campaign a clear descriptive name. Use a name that tells you what the workflow is for, such as a welcome sequence, lead magnet delivery, or a follow-up series. After naming it, click Create to open the workflow builder. Once you are inside the builder, choose your trigger. You will typically pick On Subscription if you want the workflow to start the moment someone joins your list. Or choose Tag Applied if you want the workflow to start only when a specific tag is added to a subscriber, which is useful when you want different paths for different behaviors or sources. With your trigger set, you can begin adding actions. Drag Send Message into the workflow. When you create the email, keep it focused and easy to read. Make sure the subject line matches the purpose of the message, and confirm the content delivers what the subscriber expects. To control timing, drag Wait actions between your messages. This lets you space emails out by hours or days, so your sequence feels natural and avoids overwhelming new subscribers. As subscribers move through your workflow, you can also segment them by dragging in Apply Tag or Remove Tag actions. Tags help you track progress, separate people into groups, and trigger other automations later. When you are satisfied with the flow, click Save and Exit. Finally, click Activate so the workflow starts running for new subscribers who meet your trigger conditions. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.